How to get LED notification lights on Samsung Galaxy phone. Hi guys, so in this video I'll teach you how to get LED notification lights on Samsung Galaxy phone. So if you want to learn how it's done, just watch this video until the very end. It's just pretty simple, so let's go. To do that, just head over to your Play Store right here and then search in here for notification light for Samsung. So if you search for that, you will see this notification light AOD Notify. So click on that and then install this on your phone. So let's just wait for this to get installed on our phone. And once it's done installing, you should be able to open this app. So click on open. And then once you have done that, you should be able to see the interface of the app. So let's just wait for that for a few minutes and click on next. And then from in there, you just need to set up the app to follow the instructions. So select the app. So you can also select all of them. And once you have selected the apps, you just need to head back and give the notification access. So allow it. Then the next thing you need to do is draw on screen to show the notification light. So this app uses accessibility service, so just click on next right here. And then select AD notify right here and turn this on. So allow this. And then if you see this that is still X, so just click on that and select AOD notify and make sure to allow this. And then once you have done that, click on done. And then it will open a notification light on your Samsung. So just click on this one right here and it will be turned on for screen. So that's the whole process. I hope this video helped you to get LED notification lights on Samsung Galaxy phone. If you have questions or comments, comment them down below and try best to answer them. Thanks!